Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about if statement in decision control statements. Here I am using the two variables, that is A and B, and I am assigning values to them, and I am checking whether which number is greater and displaying the user based upon the if conditions. Let us start our programming. Here first step I am writing header files. Here I am going to use stdio.h header file in order to read or display the any information to the output console. Next step is I am writing the main function here, and I am starting the block here, and I am going to declare two integer type data variables, that is int a comma b, and what I am doing is I am just assigning the values to that variables a and b. Here I am going to assigning the value 5 to a and 10 to b by using a equal to operator, that is assign operator. Next step is I am checking the if condition, checking whether the which number is greater than. I am checking here whether a is greater than or b. Here 5 is not greater than b. Then what it will return means it will return 0, that is false. If it is written false means it will not go into this block, it will execute the remaining part of the program, that is printf function. Here printf, what I am doing is displaying the which number is greater than with the values. Here the percentage d is used to display the integers value. What it will do means it will display the 10 is greater than a. Let us check this. It will display as it is 10 is greater than 5. Let us do, if I change the values a to value as 15, and again we are running this program, we will check the output. What it is getting? 15 is greater than b. Here we are getting two outputs. Like why it is happening is, here we are checking this condition, a is greater than or b. Yes, 15 is greater than 10. So it will return one value to this if condition, that is true. What it will do means it will execute the if block. Here what I am going to use the printf function to display that message. This is correct. What it will display is 15 is greater than 10. And next step is what it will do, its condition is true, it will execute the if block and it will execute the remaining part of the program. Next step is I am having here printf function to display the another information to this user. Here I am not mentioning any condition here, so that's why we are getting this again printf, that is 10 is greater than 15. If I remove this means you are getting the accurate result, that is 15 is greater than 10. To overcome this problem, we are going to use if else block. We will discuss this topic in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment below and subscribe to this channel.